Have you ever used an iPhone SE? In 2022, Apple launched the third generation of iPhone SE series, and it was named iPhone SE 2022. It's 5G, it has a 4.7-inch display, which means it is small to hold in hand, but it's powerful because of the A15 bionic chip. And yes, it has Touch ID. It is a great device for somebody who wants to have a compact yet a very powerful device, if you'd ask me. And with the further development of iPhone SE series, it was being rumored that the SE4 will be ditching the iPhone 8 chassis in favor of iPhone XR design. With a 6.1-inch display, a Face ID sensor inside the notch, A15 or even A16 bionic chip with 5G capabilities. However, according to Min-Chi Kuo, a very reputed person who has a great track record when it comes to Apple-related leaks and rumors, he predicts that Apple has delayed, or even worse, has scrapped the plans of launching the SE4. Apple is reanalyzing the fate of iPhone SE series. And due to lower than expected sales figure of Apple's most affordable phone variants, the company isn't very sure of launching another iPhone SE model. And if you look at it, does make a little sense. I mean, we already know that world might be under recession any day, and launching a device that won't be able to perform well in terms of sales, I don't think Apple isn't going to launch iPhone SE model. It does make a little sense. It all adds up. And I don't know if you've noticed or not, but Apple's older devices have continued to sell really well, especially in markets like India. For instance, iPhone 13 remained a hot-selling device this year, especially when people came to know that iPhone 14 and 14 Plus had the same processor as the older variant. So it would literally make no sense for Apple to launch a new device that won't be able to recover its cost, especially when they are able to generate profit from the devices that they have already created. They are already up and running in the markets. They do not have to put any additional cost into making them or polishing them. So yeah, at least for few years, you can say goodbye to the iPhone SE model. I've personally used this device and I was really impressed by its performance when I reviewed it. In fact, even after I posted the video on the internet, I was still using it as my daily driver. And I did that for almost a month or two. And I was definitely looking forward to what Apple would offer in iPhone SE4. But looking after all of this mess that has happened, I would definitely agree at some point with what Min-Chi Kuo has to say. And that's just sad. I mean, it's such a great device and I was really looking forward to its successor. But okay, it's Apple after all, and they do what they have to do in order to offer best for their consumers. Do let me know what are your thoughts about this whole mess that has happened in the comments down below. I would definitely be interested in reading your thoughts. And if you're watching this video till this point, I know you've liked it, which is why I would really appreciate if you would like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you like to stay updated with everything Apple, then make sure to download the iGeeks blog app from the App Store. This is me here signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.